Yeah, get him.
Quit it. Quit it. Quit it.
Get him. Almost. There you go. Now eat them all gone.
No.
You're not gonna eat them?
A buy Sally's.
Oh, Bob and Sally eat them?
Uh-oh. Come on.
Uh-oh, there he goes here, Daddy. Eat them all gone. Go. Eat them all gone.
Gravy Buddha. I say hi to you. Quit it. That hurts.
That tickles, huh? You gonna eat them? Thought you wanted to eat them.
Playground.
Put them on the ground.
Uh-oh, it's that loud.
Mommy's mowing. I thought you wanted to eat that guy right there.
I'm calling.
Here you go.
I'm calling back.
Yeah.